Okay, okay. Hello. Hello, it is I. I do the weird thing. I don't know why I do weird thing. I just do weird thing. Where's the balloon? It is a balloon. Okay.
Hi. How's everyone doing today? Is everyone having a good day so far? I hope so. I just got home from work and I feel motivated to do a game dev stream. And since it's been a while since I've done a game dev stream here, I'm going to just do a recap of what I've been doing off stream and everything. So I've gone through, I've made the quest board and everything like that. All I have to do is change this image eventually, which I will do so when I actually have an image. But I have the cat quest and this menu of the quest all set up. I have more dialogue. Do a kickflip. Hold on. I'll do a kickflip real fast. Just wait, no, that's not it. Did I do it? I don't know if I did it or not. I hope I did a kickflip there. So, all right. But yeah, I've done more, or like putting like actual like dialogue in here. So there's not done with this entirely yet, as I'm also going to introduce a chance for tutorials and everything like that. But I've also gone through and made the ending cutscenes for the cat quest here. So there's 3 possible cutscenes in this area. So it'll be interesting to see what happens and everything like that. So other than that, I've gone through and I've fixed up a few other things. I also have more of an ending for the for the herb gathering quest here. Just a whole bunch of dialogue, all the boring stuff that no one needs to really look at in general. So yeah, no, we're getting there. There is one thing I want to do before I forget. So we're going to go to system and I'm going to make sure that this is labeled as C. 100C, that's coin there for short, because I'm lazy. But today, as the title of the stream suggests, we are working on... We're going to work on something completely different than quest for now. For, you see... Let's just showcase the dev room, why not? Because, you see, I have a crafting system in here. Oh, would help if I actually, you know, showed the screen properly where you can actually see everything, because I keep forgetting that OBS... RPG Maker is one of those weird programs that it will not show on OBS the proper screens unless they have like the actual like windows, like the full screen available. So like I have to have full screen availability just to make it work. But I digress. Yeah, I do have, where is it? Right here. I do have the Visustella's item crafting system. So, as you all know, I've been trying to figure out how to do my gemstone system, which is the ability to equip magical gemstones onto weapons and everything like that. Because this is based off of my D&D world and everything like that. So, a part of me is trying, like, how do I do what I want to do with it? Yes, I know. It's Vizustella. But you have to look at it this way. I have no 1 carat PNG, 1 2 carat PNG. I don't even see that. Oh no. I'll be perfectly honest with you. I know but all about coding. Absolutely but all. I know nothing. I know how to do basic malarkey. Like this. I know how to do this. That's it. That's all I know how to do. I don't know how to do anything else really from scratch. So from my perspective, Vizustella had everything I needed. It's great. They have a crafting system. They've done this. They've done that. They got a bunch of stuff in here. It does suck using them. It really does suck using them because of a couple of reasons. One, any additional stuff, trying to like third party that's not Vizustella, may or may not function with it. hard to say. Hey, I have a couple of plugins here that would have worked fine. Down here at the bottom, I have the Materia system. Would have worked fine. Does not work with Vizustella. Actually, doesn't work, period. Like, this doesn't work at all. Yeah. And the other issue is they obfuscate their code. And you have to think it from their perspective for a little bit as well. I'm just going to play the devil's advocate for them. In RPG Maker MV, when they did code for plugins and everything like that beforehand, someone stole their source code and started making their plugins outside of them when they were things. So that's the reason they obfuscate them. That's the reason why they do it, is because someone stole their source code and they wanted to stop it from happening. It's the same logic that, okay, thieves come into a store, they steal a bunch of shit. What happens to that stuff? Well, now it's all locked up. It's just the way that it is, unfortunately. So yes, it really does suck that if you don't know how to decipher their actual code, you really can't do much editing to it. Yeah. I'm banning from the server. Oh shit, I'm dead. No, I'm sorry. That's it. That's it. That's the only thing. Yeah. So now, if I actually had more coding knowledge, I would probably drop Vizustella in a heartbeat. But I know next to nothing. So I'm not using Vizustella for everything. I do have a parallax. I do have a parallax from the from Galv here, and I do have some other code from other people from the RPG Maker Discord. Thank you so much for everyone. I think I have my critical plugin here. Does nothing but add critical damage bonuses to characters, as shown from here. Critical modifier 5. That's right. Main character. When a main character crits, she crits for 5 times the amount of damage. Versus Francis here, who only crits for 2 times the amount. Or Nova for 3 times the amount. No other character is gonna crit for that. Yeah, the server is based as shit. It's awesome. I've gotten a lot of help, but I've also not gotten a lot of help. That's just an RPG Maker problem in general. Oh my god. Trying to find any tutorial on anything outside of very basic beginner stuff is surprisingly hard. It is surprisingly hard. And again, don't even get me started with Vizustella. You have to. There's no tutorials on Vizustella at all. It really does suck. But I digress. Anyway, so the things that I'm going to do today. First off, we're going to make a bunch of weapons. Mainly, we're going to make one specific type of weapon. And in the meantime, I am going to be deleting pretty much all these default ones. It's time to get rid of the old default ones and make way for the singular items that the singular weapons that my players will be actually using. Because I'll tell you, no one's going to be using a knife. No one's going to be using claw-based weapons. Well, except for maybe one person, but it'll be just a default claw. No one's really using spears, everything. I'm being very limited on weapons. They're gonna stick to one weapon throughout the entire game, but it's gonna be different classes of weapons. So you got your bronze weapons, you got your steel weapons, you got your dwarven steel weapon, you got your dragon steel weapon, you got your mithril weapons, and of course you got your adamantine weapons, everything. Is there cat girls in my game? It's based off of my D&D. Hold on a second. Let me just let me come here. Come. We don't need to see this. Go away. We don't need to see the background stuff. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is based off of my D&D world. Of course, there's cat girls in there. Of course, there is. Yeah, there are beastkin in this world. So yes, there are cat girls in this world. Let me go Nuremberg? I think Nuremberg is the first place that actually has them. Here we go. There's one right there. Actually, here's what we're gonna do real fast. We're gonna run in here real fast. There's no art images for NPCs yet. There's no art images for like hardly any character. I am working on Rena's final concept sketch, and she will be going in here, and yeah, I'm also getting everything ready for the proof of concept test. So some things are not skipped, some things are. You can see like we have a werewolf here. Oh, I forgot thing. There's one right there. I'll just walk in front of her. Nope. There's one right there. Purple hair and everything, because why not? And yep, there's some dialogue, everything. So yeah, like I said, granted, even over here, yeah, here we go. Yep, there's another cat girl right there, or maybe a wolf girl. Don't know what she is yet. Got some elves, dark elves. Right, this is the inn. No cat girls in the inn yet. Yeah, the main map of Nuremberg right here is just terrible for streaming. Runs fine on its own, but it's terrible for streaming. Like, yep, no cat girls here. But yeah, there are cat girls in the game. That is a thing. So, anyway, as I was saying, we are actually working on the weapons now. So yes. I will be remaking all these items pretty much. So, like, I have Dragon Steel Blade right here to, like, showcase it, and, like, this is the Dragon Staff, Dragon Feather, Dragon Ice. These are all gonna get remade. But now, everything up until here is gone. Just gone. We're gonna start over, and we're gonna start by making, Rena's weapons. So these are Rena's weapons, and yeah, things are gonna get a little crazy. So we're gonna take all of these real fast. I'm going to control C. We're gonna control V, and there are a few things I'm gonna have to do, which is go back through and edit items to be taken out of, because I'm gonna keep these for now until I get down to them, and then I'm going to have to change them up. For now, we have Rena's weapons. So these are the basic weapons and everything like that. And some of them are going to be like very specific of just like that they don't have any detail for them. There'll be proxy items, everything like that. So, but we're gonna start with the bronze rapier because, again, I can't get my gemstone system to function the way I want to. So I'm gonna do something else instead. That's right, the lore of the world is changing. It's like I'm God or something. Jeez, who knows? So instead of just having the ability to equip a gemstone to a weapon or a piece of armor, I'm gonna have the class itself at a later point. Like, we're working on it. So there is a current thing here. You can see just like there are items that they can equip: gemstone, gemstone, gemstone. And actually, I'll just show this in game as an example, because I have the dev room to showcase these things to do so. That's why everyone should have a game dev room when they're making a game. I'd say we're gonna have to run all the way back. Ah, God. Oh, right. Also, come here. Also, yeah, right here. Another cat girl. Young cat girl. And good dialogue. All right, moving on. Anyway, to the dev room, through the lag. And I will say, this actually is lagging less than it did on Twitch, hilariously enough. So we're going to get these items. And if I go to other options here, I can do change class. And yes, we have the gemstone test here. So right now, Rena cannot equip any gemstones. There's just no way for her to do so. I do have other accessories that I can equip, like this and like that. No headpiece, no things. Bronze rapier, adventuring clothing, boots. That's it. That's what she has. If I go here and actually do the change class, gemstone number 1. Complete equip. There you go. She has gemstone down here, and now she can equip the gemstones, which give different bonuses. So raises hit rate, and this one raises agility. So one has a more benign effect, the other one has a more visible effect. But regardless, equipping the gemstone, not that gemstone, equipping a gemstone grants her a skill. And pretty much that's what's going to happen. So when you equip the gemstones to the character directly, which is easy to do, they gain a skill. If they equip a higher, they can only equip one gemstone at a time. So if I come into here, change class, go to test 4. So now she has 4 of them in there. I cannot, I should not be able to. We'll do agility. Agility is a good one. I can't equip another gemstone of that same type to it. This is how I'm going to limit the amount of duplicate skills and everything like that. You can tell I'm still in the process because you can still equip a bunch of hit stones here. Which hit stone currently has the GS skill, which only does that. So, oh, okay, I only had 1. Okay, that's good to know. So, point is that, yeah. Point is that that's what I'm trying to do too. Don't need to do that. And yeah. Reminds me, let's get this done right now. Equip, copy, limit, copy, enter space. There we go. Only one may be equipped. Why do I do that? Why did I do that? So, but then, if I can't equip the gemstones to the weapons, how am I going to equip them? Very simple. We're going to use the crafting system where you can combine a gemstone into a weapon, and then the new weapon gets a skill. So, for instance, if I wanted to if I create a new skill and I want it to be a wind-based skill, you can equip a basic gemstone to the sword, and you'll get a new wind-based skill, and you get that new wind-based skill. So there is reasons behind it, and there's another thing that I'm going to do as well, and that involves the other item that I've already created, which are the gem shards. These gem shards don't really... When do you not have a thing? Ah, yes, that would explain a lot. I forgot. Those are incorrect. 1 second. 1 second. I gotta bring up the file here real fast. Oh, yeah. I forgot that's a thing that is existing of bad system. We're going to copy this. No. Over to here. Rename, paste, enter. Yes. Over to here. Going to rename. Do that. And alright. Did I do that wrong? I did that wrong. I did that wrong. Internet. The internet has failed me. Why would you... Alright. It looks like we're back. The internet failed me for like 30 seconds here, apparently. Hello? Oh. Alright. I think we're back. The internet decided that it just did not want to work. Oh dear. This is terrible internet. How could you? Anyway. I didn't realize I actually could have this open like this. I'm gonna do that. Sweet, no. Minimize, shrink it down. Alright, there we go, there we go. Problem solved. Alright, maybe. I don't know. The internet has been really terrible with me. Unfortunately. I don't know what's going on. I think I've inherited Phantom's internet, which shouldn't be a problem, but apparently it is. I don't know if it's my new Wi-Fi receiver or if it's my USBs failing me. Hard to say, but regardless. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this instead. You know what? Screw it. Save. Open. Open. Gonna refresh everything. Do that. Okay, good. Everything's fixed again. Everything's fixed again. How do I know it's fixed? Here, look at you. Can you see they have icons now? That's right. I got some more icons, but I forgot to add it to the existing icon page. Blah. Blah. Oh well. Problem for later. Anyway, where was I? That's right. I have the gem shards here. Now these things only exist in this game to create gemstones. So why not use them for something else? This is where we're gonna be working on today. We're gonna be making different bonus variants of at least the bronze rapier for the POC. It's gonna get far more complicated and far more annoying, and eventually I'm gonna have to do this like multiple times over. But we will be able to do this. So with that in mind, I am going to copy the bronze rapier here, and I'm going to paste it here. So most of this stuff is already set up correctly. Weapon 62, which refers to this weapon. Where is it? Weapon 62, which refers to this one right here. Very straightforward, very simple, and everything like that. But we're going to make a bunch of them real fast. And we're gonna do one for... We're gonna make one for each of the gemstones. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 12 total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Let's see. And now we're just going to put a... I'm gonna copy pieces of things at everyone's location. So click way too far. Actually, you know what? I can just do this. Boom, boom. Oh, okay. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. We got it. Anyway, Alright. So there we go. So now each of these are going to represent at least one upgrade of each, and each tier of weapon will have a set number of upgrades. For the bronze rapier is the lowest class weapon next to the old rapier and the broken sword. Broken sword does not get any bonuses. It's a broken weapon. It cannot be fixed. Old rapier is just old and tarnished. It needs to be repaired into the heirloom rapier, which both of these exist in game, so it's okay. I will worry about the heirloom rapier later because I do have something special planned for this. was a gift. This weapon was a gift from her father. Everything like that. So there is a bunch of information that we can put here for it. But for now, a commonplace rapier found in just about every weapon shot. Good balance on all around. And then we're gonna add enchanted. Let's see. Well, we'll leave this for now. We'll worry about fluff text later. But what it is going to do, the enchanted rapier is going to have an additional attack point. Not gonna have an additional this thing, but this one's gonna have a parameter increase, which is going to be actually wait, because it is this, it's going to have +2 agility, and we're going to call this the AGL 1 for now. AGL 1. Weapons can only be upgraded so many times per weapon and everything like that. So weak weapons can't really go much further than that. And then we'll do this one as hit 1. Okay, let's there we go. Do it like that. Agility 1, hit 1. So agility 1 gets additional attack and agility point. Where this gets an additional attack and we make a new one parameter. Which is here. Hit rate plus 10%. Very small upgrade, but now it is fully upgraded and everything like that. And now, to make everything worthwhile, craft this, they need weapon 5. We change this to weapon 5. We'll add the item, which in this case is the agility, which is the wind shard, which is item 53. Come into here. Item 53. And because the gem shards are more easily found, this is going to cost... We're going to start off simple by making it 50 for now, just to start off with. I'm going to copy this over to here, spacebar, and change this to 5. So there we go. So that takes care of those right there. If I remember correctly, the hit stone, yep, raises 10%. So you can technically double stack everything as needed. You can give everything agility 1 and everything like that, make everything and give you a bunch of agility. But for now, this is just that. Show crafting switch 41. And 41 for weapon is crafting show switch 41. Is that a common event thing? I don't remember. Let's see. Lots of stuff. Wolf quest, herbs, berries. Don't worry about the misspellings. Breath weapon. So. So yeah, there we go. All right. I think I just have to double check. What does this thing do? Turn on 41. Oh, 41 was that. So we can turn Turn on crafting switch. I'm gonna take these off for now because those are fine. And we'll take that off for now. So this is the hard part of trying to figure out how note tags work and everything like that. I'll change you to 5 as well. At least to get that one taken care of. So let's do a quick test. Make sure that. Oh wait, it's not there, is it? Well, let's see. We're in the dev room, so this is fine. Gemstones. Let's see. We need. Gemstone. So I'm missing the bronze rapier. Wait. No. Wait, do I have the bronze rapier? Ah. Wait, where's this going wrong? Where is this going wrong? We're gonna try resetting this real fast. F5 the world. What is that? Oh. Okay. All right. Gotta figure this out and go from there. Not a new game because it's always safe to, just start a new game when you're trying to test out something. Anything that's broken will be fixed that way. It starts everything from beginning. So that's not. Let's see now. I do have the instruction manual over here. Let me see. Let's do weapon name instead on here. Weapon name. Rapier. 1. Do that. F5. Doodly 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 doo. That should have fixed everything. Hello? WinZip, I do not care. Go away. I broke everything, guys. Oh dear. Alright. Back to trying to figure this out. So... category Windstone. Let's do this. weapon 5, colon 1. So that should work. Take that off for now. Take that off for now. Let's see if that works. Let's see if that works. I need to take a drink. Holy. Ah. All right. Reset the parameters. Excellent, excellent. Reset the parameters. We are good. Come over to here. Come down over to here. Add items. Talk to her. I'm missing the bronze rapier. Why am I missing the bronze rapier? But why? Why is that not working? As always, bang your head against the wall, try and figure out how to do this. Let's wait. Let's see. If I don't have that crafting, so I got those. These, that's functioning. The item real fast. It's something as simple as I didn't enable it on her. Yes, it's something as simple as that. Duh. Alright, so let's see. Hold on. I need to take a screenshot of my item list here. All right, so we're gonna do this. Take a quick screenshot. Gonna upload this link. I'm going to come over to here and just paste it over here so I can see it. And then scroll down to here. Although that's only there though, so set. Do this. Upload. Paste it. Post it. Alright. So now back into here. Weapons. We want item, weapon. Let's do that again. Just in general, 60 tier. We can delete. We can change this one. We'll make the bronze rapier. We'll make agility 1. Hit 1. Hit OK. And refresh. We'll try this again. And see how it do. Alright, here we go. Guys, open world, please. Thank you very much. Coming over here, making sure everything's functioning. Alright. Looks like everything's functioning on stream, so moving on into there. Come over to here, grab a few dozen of these things. 5, 6. Should be plenty. Gemstone. But why is this not working, huh? Why are you... Why are you not functioning? Why, though? Okay. Time to go... Nope. Time to read the Develepment manual here. See what they say. Alright. So, we'll just do this. Alright. So now we gotta figure out how to do this thing. So we got the proxy idea that has multiple recipes. Show crafting switch. Turn on, turn off. So let's see. Category rule, that's categories, explaining categories, that's doing all this thing. And here's examples of like stuff that they do. Custom crafting only. This item can only be used. This item can only be crafted with the crafting system selected through the plugin. All right. Crafting switch, crafting mask, no mask, JavaScript code, animation. That's all stuff like that. All right. Is there anything in the plugin itself? All right. So. No, because it's all pretty much the same here. I need a thinking face here. Of course, every time I try and figure something out, I don't know what's going on. So, okay. So, if let's start with this. We're going to just copy this whole thing right here, right out of Visitella. Copy. Hit apply. Come over to here. And then we're going to paste this here. Category 1. Category name wind stone. Okay, no, let's do cancel real fast. Alright, so we're going to paste it here. Category wind. Category X is the number. This is Wind stone. Cut that out and to place it below there. We do not need this information here. Don't need any of those. Weapon ID 051. Why? We're gonna try this now. Got Morty in game. We're gonna try this now. As I copied it directly from the plugin itself, so that should be formatted correctly. Game just in case. Never hurts. Never hurts. Gemstone. It still says I don't have it. Alright, so let's do this. Let's let's do this. Let's go to options. We'll go to spawn weapon. Buy bronze rapier. I like that. Unless it's referring to these things. Let's see. Alright, we need to figure out where this is all going wrong real fast. So... continue where we left off, that's fine. Alright. Oh, gotta start a new game, actually. New title screen. New game. I did not want to do that. Refresh. Words are hard, man. Words are hard. New game, open world. The world is trying to explore. As I try and figure out what's going on. Alright. So we're gonna come into here. We're gonna make sure. So we currently have no bronze sword. Add items. We currently now have 2 bronze swords. Over to here, gemstone. There are 0 bronze swords. Alright, we're gonna go to here. Options, debug, spawn weapon. And we're going to buy 11 bronze swords. I have 13 of them. Alright. Still 0. Did not mean to refresh the page, but I pressed the wrong button. There. Terrible at this. This entire stream is going to be me suffering because I am inept at what I do. Alright. So... So... That's what. Okay, I know what's going on. I know what is happening. Oh, it's this one. This is what's broken. Those don't exist anymore, so those can go away. This is what we need. Okay, that's the one I need to get rid of. So, apply, apply. And now I can get rid of all these, just so they don't exist anymore. Done. Means that I also don't need that anymore. Alright. So now this should function correctly. Item 53, weapon 1, or weapon 5. Alright, one more time, testing it out, making sure everything's functioning. Oh, it's such a simple thing, he does. Such a simple thing. Stop being dumb. Ah, dang. No one says game developers were smart. We're just clever and stupid all at the same time, because apparently, yeah. Alright, so up here, do once. I don't have the 50. I need to go buy the 50. And there we go. So we've got this. There we go. Exit. There we go. And add some more items. Anything else? Yes. Gemstone. We'll do that. Alright. So, anything else? No. So now we have all the weapons. We have the regular bronze rapier, which does pretty much that. We've got agility, got that, and we got this one. So yeah. So there is a lot that could be done and everything like that, and I think I might have to figure out how to do like proxy weapons and everything like that. So let me double check the proxy rule real fast for this. So proxy notes. No, requires the most up-to-date version of this. Turns this item and weapon or armor into a proxy for another item, allowing you to create recipes with different ingredients in the crafting ingredients note tag. Consisting in the note tag and use the same elements. The proxy item itself will take on the name of the icon and description of the original item it's supposed to represent. No other properties are carried over from the original. When viewed through the Windows Shop status window, it will contain reference for the original item and not the proxy item. Proxy items themselves cannot be acquired. This includes event commands, item drops, or equips. When crafted, the item yielded won't be the proxy item, but the item it's a proxy for. Replace ID with a number representing the weapon item or armor ID of the same type. If the proxy is an item, this will refer to an item. If the proxy is a weapon, this will refer to a weapon. Same for armors. Place name, okay, so that's just referring to all the stuff there. So yeah, so I think what I'll do, let's look at stats here real fast. So her stats right here, her hit rate is 95% chance already. I go through, equip the hit one, look at her stats, 105%. So she's guaranteed to hit for everything. So what I might do is kind of balance out everything, because already like you hit pretty well to begin with. How do I go about doing that? Hard to say what I want. So let's see. I don't need to see that anymore. I need to see this now. Nope, I don't need to see that. Let's get the music on. You know what? Let's no, let's put on some battle music just because why not? Trying to think of everything. Also, it's nice change pace to have different music playing at the same time too. So, how to go about solving this issue? Oh, I can get rid of that. Doesn't matter. All right. So I can make it so that the bronze rapier see, the classes already have a 95% hit chance to begin with. But if I want to use hit rate as a modifier, actually, no, I think we'll leave it at that. We'll leave it as this. We'll leave it as this for now, because I'll have enemies debuff hit chances and everything like that through different means. And therefore, having the hit rate increase mitigates the amount of reduction that it has. I think. I don't really know how else to go about doing that. So, that's fine. That's fine. Here's what we'll do now. So, we've got attack and magic attack. So, ATK 1, maybe, just maybe. So here's what I'm going to do real fast. I'm going to delete this all real fast. We're going to go number 5. Sorry, you're gone. Did you have any technical questions for me? I can always try and help and answer. Nope, I was just dumb. That was the biggest dumb thing I had. Like, why isn't this able to be crafted? Why am I not able to see the crafting? I changed all the parameters and everything, and it was a very simple reason. Very simple reason, my dear Watson. I forgot to change the event. Because this was still giving out, the older item wasn't giving out the correct item, so, yeah, I kind of screwed up there. Twinsies! with these dumb people, yay! I really should include chat in the stuff here. Alright. In the meantime, as I was doing, this is ATK1. And then we do the abbreviated M dot ATK1. So, let's see, magic attack. This gives it plus. We got +1. It gives us. Let's see. So yeah, we'll just leave it like this because it's actually not giving bonuses to attack. So there we go. So attack 1 on magic attack 1. So this actually raises the physical attack of it. Let's see. Items to be had. This is the only confusing one. Oh, it's not. 51. All right. Item. So boom, boom. Item. 51. 50. And we'll just be lazy and copy, apply, and paste, apply. So there we go. Those two are the straightforward ones. Back to armors. We now have MP and MP cost. Do that. Make it actually label it as MP cost. We'll name this MP max. Alright. So back to weapons. MP max. Which requires item. I want to say it's 53. Only one way to find out. Go over to here. Oh, 53 is that. It's 54. 54 is what we need. 54. All right. Easy enough. All right. This one raises max. MP max. And this goes up by 5. I think that's what the item gives. All right. MP max goes. Wait, hold on. Do I have a customized battle screen UI yet? Pseudo, yes. I haven't really focused on the battle UI just yet. Mainly because I'm trying to get like the core mechanics in first. And the UI is, you know, the UI is there. It is different than the default. So if I go fight this. So this is the current UI that I have. It's just the side down version, everything like that, with the battle system and everything. And then I have the boost system to go bam, 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 bam. Item drop, level up system. Easy enough. So, yeah. That's the battle UI right now. And yes, I do plan on having different battle sprite animations for my characters. In fact, if I click on this, that's the thing. That's the battle sprite. This is what I'm aiming for. Something about that size. But, you liked it. You like the FX? Yeah. So, then of course, let's see. Oh, she doesn't have any geo skills because I don't have that weapon on, so. And then, guard. Enemies have multiple attacks. And then, of course, forgot. I was doing a battle system test. And skill, there we go. Evasive footwork. Give that to her as well. And as you can see, when I use the boost skill, I can actually get other skills available. So, like I said, still working on everything. There's a lot to be done still. I might. God, the test battle doesn't have any good items. The low kick. The animations are slow right now. And her low kick to finish it off. Hey, look it, she's level 1. Look at that, now she's level 2. That's the battle sprite. But yeah, I'm also testing out with like different actual like sprite motions and everything. What I'm probably gonna end up doing is, while it's cool to have such a larger like sprite to represent the character, I actually let's put her back. And oh wait, forgot this one. That's new sprite. So while it's nice to have this really cool sprite, doesn't quite work for the rest of the assets. So like if I come down here to the door, just like it's just too big. I mean, it's the same height as the statues, and the statues are supposed to be slightly bigger than the regular people. So, but the main thing is I was testing out the diagonal movements of it. One other small flaw with it in the process, so you'll see what I mean by when stuff happens. So like there's this regular speech bubble, as we know, but in this, with this mod, wait, do you do pronouns? I mean, I'm human. No. You have to know that, yes, I am a guy. I am a guy. That's just what it is. Oh. I broke the avatar thing. Oopsie. Wow. Get through this cutscene real fast. There's a lot of dialogue. A lot of cutscene. This and here we go. I actually have to change that as well. Let's see. Any quits, tutorial, and yes, that's a temporary image to showcase the quest board, but I made an entire freaking navigational menu. It's annoying as heck. But it works. Okay, let's just skip through the rest of this. Yeah, so as you saw right there, when she did like different emotes and everything, that's when the speech bubbles popped up over her head. So it has some flaws, at least in terms of like trying to figure out how to get the diagonals to work. Because what I'd have to do is I'd have to go through and make custom sprite sheets for everything. Like you can see, like right here, this is what I'm talking about. So all the speech bubbles, they do a different emote, pretty much. Because that's not me changing the character outfit. That's actually part of the sprite sheet itself. So if I actually bring up the sprite sheet, where is it? Characters? I bring up, where is it? Where is it? Is that it? Nope, it was this one. There it is. I bring up the sprite sheet. So as you can see, there is the first 4 slots of the character thing. Yeah, the first thing right here. These are all just related to the directional movements. That's it. And then down here, these are all directed to what you see for you. Let's do it like this. So this is, as you can see, like here we go, like yay. Now there is a jump icon, so let you go in here and then we'll do movement root and just jump in place. Jump, and then we'll do a wait command. Where's wait command? There, wait? Where's wait? Wait. 1 second. Jump again. Wait. And I don't think it repeats. No, just wait to complete. All right. Do that. Just to showcase what I mean by, like, it does thing. It does a thing. So, there's a lot I gotta do. A lot of work I gotta do. Gotta make a Mario jumper. There we go. Eventually, I'm gonna make an even more shortcut menu on that front menu and be like, there you go, like, skip to what part? So I was gonna go through all the motions and then should actually... Oh, that was the players jumping. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Made the player jump instead. I need this event. There we go. Let's try this again, shall we? Let's try this again. But no, if someone does want to know, like, what are my pronouns? My pronouns are he. I'm a guy. I'm not denying that. Never have, never will. Let's see now. So as you can see, it actually has a jumping animation. So, like I said, art is secondary. Getting things to function, like this entire flippin' system here, that's what comes first, in my opinion. And nothing else. So I have my reasons on why I'm not worrying about the UI at the moment. I mean, eventually, am I going to try and clean up that thing? Yeah. Or just maybe feel uncomfortable? Nah. I just try to keep. I try to keep political out of my things. I am a game dev. I'm trying to make a game for fun. Not trying to be politically correct about anything. I have my political opinions. This is the fact. A fact that remains true to what it is. But at the end of the day, what I think, what you think, and what the next person thinks, that's perfectly fine. As long as you're not a dick about it, I don't care. I don't care. Because there's a difference between, you know, being like, oh, hey, sorry, I actually identify as this. Can you please refer to me as that? That's one thing. That's being respectful. That's being polite. The other thing, being of, oh, I'm actually this. So you're getting, no, that's you're being a dick. Stop being a dick. The answer to world peace. Don't be a dick. To quote Stephen Hugh, don't be a dick. How do you intend to solve world peace? Don't be a dick. Okay. Well, so much for any monetization on this video, I think. there was a lot of slongs being flung around there. It's not even 4 o'clock yet, and I'm like, I don't know, kind of crazy. Oh well, you're good. MP cost. This right here, we do a special param MP cost rate. Come down to here. Cost is times 90%. I think that's right. I think that's what it's supposed to be. That's one way to find out. We'll make this 110%. And then take this, put it there, go to the beginning, press spacebar. Alright. I'm going to do this experiment here and now, because I can, and I shall. Doodly-doo. Oh, wait. There is one key thing I forgot to do, as I forgot to do last time. I'll make sure these items are actually listed. Oops, I did not mean to do that. I meant to do that. Just can I? Well, let's clear this whole thing out. There we go. We'll do agility 1, hit 1, attack 1. Magic attack 1, MP max, MP cost. Alright. And then apply that. Come to here. We will do change armor. There it is. Change armor. We'll add MP cost to this list. Save it. Refresh the page so it actually is actually no. Actually is actually now actually the actually. I wish I could put my emotes for my Discord or my Twitch channel here. Because, oh man, words are hard, man. Words are hard. Just absolutely, words are hard. Can't deal with it any other way. All right, here we go. Testing time. You know, I just thought of a better way to do like this type of testing. I'll do it later. Add items. All right. You know what? We're going to add more items. Come here. Buy a butt ton of those. Ignore that. Ignore that dumbness of mine. Again, I'm dumb. Alright, do that. Anything else? Yeah, it's gemstones. Let's start by in those. Right. I know what. I know what went wrong. I know what went wrong. Hold on. There's our problem. Wait, did I get rid of... I did. I got rid of that thing. Yep. I forgot to get rid of all this nonsense. You know. So let's see. Here. Wait. Yes. Thank you. Alright. Now we can do this. Now it's actually possible. Blarg. Blarg-a-ding darg darg. There we go. Problem solved. If I come into here now. Yeah, there we go. Look at all that. Alright, so first off, we're gonna just make myself filthy rich. Oh yeah. Oh, that's not what I meant to do, but okay. Here we go. I'm gonna buy a bunch of fire shards. Buy a bunch of catalyst. You're gonna hear this beeping a few times, I'm sorry. Oh, can't have any more of that. Buy a bunch of these things. Go to the crafting. We're going to craft one of you. Craft one of you. We're going to craft you. Craft you. And anything else? No, not for now. Alright. So, for a weapon, we have... Oh wait, there is one last thing I should have done. Oh. Oh, it is her, yeah. No. Gemstone equip test. Oh, that's that. Other options. Change class, yes, we'll do test 2. We will equip a MP cost. We'll also input MP max. So now, if we look at our stats, our MP cost is down to 90%. I'm going to go ahead... get into a fight. Ow. 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 That's what I wanted, though. So, MP... yeah, so that's actually down to 13, because that's supposed to be... Just realized something. I'll fix it in a minute. I'll fix it in a minute. White Wolf! Ow. Stop that. Alright. Magic skills. Alright. So... oh. So... so the gemstone does actually reduce that down. Now if I equip the... this is where I ran into other problems. Yes, arena test 1, please. So here we go. MP cost down. So her stats should equal 100. Nope, 99. All right. So yes. Okay. I know what I need to do. We need to go into here. We need to raise you down to 90. There we go. That gives +5. Let's do +10. There we go. And the gemstone. So yeah, okay. I think I have an idea how to do this. So the gemstone raises just the flat max HP by a percentage, where the weapons and armor increase it by a flat value. I think I'll do that. So if we save the game, refresh the game, and one last thing I'll be doing, well, continue. This should already have fixed all the issues. So now we have the max MP, which raises it by 10. If I come to the gemstone, and it goes up by 4. But it raises it by 110% more, so percentages in math. So if I actually make this go 150. Try that. All right. Always keep forgetting that I'm not actually doing that thing correctly. Larg darg darg darg. All right. Continue. The current stats are she has MP cost of -81%, which is what I want. It lowers her MP cost a lot. So her spells are really cheap. But now we're going to do HP max +10. And HP max is +20. So if I take that off, -15. Yeah, that's what I thought. So pretty much what's happening, for those who don't understand, for those who don't know math, the item right here is adding 50% to the max value of 100%. So if we look at the class, which is currently this one right here, the B rank adventurer, right here, that has 1 gem slot. The max MP right now at level 1 is 30. If we do the math for it, the percentage raises it up by 15 points. And if I do the math for it, which is 30 plus 150%. No, it's not that. It is plus 50%. Yeah. If I do 30 plus 50%, it's 45. 15 points. So the percentage is adding on to the total value that you have. I think I should switch that around. Other things I have to do first, too. I have to change... Wait a minute, what? So now... Oh, actually, no, I want you. So... Oh, wrong thing on. Let's see. Add an option. Change class. Yes to test 2. Hmm. Ah, that explains why. That explains why. So if I actually take this, add number 11 here real fast. Paste that in there. Go enter gemstone. Like that. I'm into here. Gemstone 2. That one, save EXP. I know what happened. So, yes, when I was first doing this thing, I had a strange issue where I would change into the class, go to the equip screen, try to equip a gemstone, and what ended up happening, the game locked up and crashed, pretty much. No idea, know how to explain it. I updated all the plugins, and it started working again. Which, I don't know why it started working again, but it just did. Because I think one of the plugins was having an issue. Anyway, we're going to test this out again. Add items, other options, character class 2. Can equip an item, good. And I can equip an item, so. Yep, there we go. Making sure. Just making sure that I can do a thing. That's all. Oh my goodness. Battle music. Just battle music thing. Because, you know, it's always fun to have the battle music going. Alright, well, anyway. So, point, behold, yes. We're in the process. Let's get the rest of these things, like, labeled and built right now, so that I can be done with it. So we got MP cost, we need the division and evasion. So, so we have Def 1. Raises defense, oh my god. Eva 1. Parameter, special parameter. Oh, it's do. Evasion rate plus 10%. The plus 10? What did I do before? Yeah, plus 10. Okay, there we go. So plus 10. Then we have luck HP. Luck 1. Now this one's going to be unique for her specifically. The reason why... Actually, wait, no, we just... Yeah, raise luck by 1. Never mind. Never mind. What was the other one? HP. HP 1. Max HP by 10. Because I did MP max 10. Yep, HP. Sorry, HP Mac. Not map, max. 1. And make that sure that's 1 and make sure this is 1. Alright, there we go. Armor, so we got magic resist, magic defense, which is M dot B M dot resist and M dot diff. All right. REF RE F. Yeah. All right. And for this, we do special parameter. Oh, magic reflection, that's what it is. So that plus 10%. Parameter, magic evasion. Hey, what does what do? Hold on. Oh, magic defense is that, and then magic reflect is magic reflection. Yes, that's what it was. Magic defense. That's one. There we go. Alrighty. So, HP up, evade up, defense up, MP cost reduced, MP max done. Alright, so there we are. I'll go through and I'll get all these other items worked out in my off time, but let's see, I think I just got... We are approaching 4:30, and yeah. And these streams are supposed to be kind of short, kind of quick to show guys, like, yes, I am working on this game, believe it or not. And it's also to help me, you know, showcase, advertise the progress and everything. You know, try to keep things relatively reasonable, because I don't know how many people will sit down and watch a full, like, 4 to 6 hour game dev stream and everything like that. I mean, some people would. I think a lot of people would watch it, but I also know the internet, it doesn't always do that. All right. So, armor. Right, weapon, we're doing defense, which is yellow. I need to go here. That would be yellow is earth. That is number 52. Item 52. Thing 50. Did 52, not 51. Copy. Boom. Home space. We have 53, 51, 54, 52. Luck is white, and that's number of... Oh, no. Luck is white, which is actually light, number 55. Item number 55. 50. And we'll select all of this, go down to the next one. And then I believe number 50, undo, enter space, and then number 56 is the last one, because item number 56 is the Shroud of Darkness, which on the armor thing is the magic resist and magic, which is the last two there. So bam, bam, shabam. And that's just the first set of weapons. That's just the first set. Now I gotta make the rest of them, which is going to get far more complicated because I gotta do double the amount. Double the amount of everything. But that's fine, because that's why I deleted all those original default items, because I'm moving away from the default items. And then I gotta do it for the weapons. And then I gotta do it for the armor. And all the armor stuff. So, delete everything probably and redo it all again in the future. To a different degree. But for now, we save the game. And yes, want to thank you guys for coming out for today's stream. It's been fun, but I do have to get going. Family wants to do a few things. If this was Twitch, I'd say stick around for the raid, but there's no raid here. So instead, please like, comment, subscribe. I've helps out this channel, everything like that. Lets me know that people are actually interested in this game. And if you have questions about the game, yeah, feel free to ask. I can tell you about it, everything. There's a lot of information that exists out there, and I'm more than willing to share it because I want this game to succeed in the future when I do eventually publish it. So once again, thank you guys. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll keep working on this in my off time when I'm not like playing other games or anything like that. And we'll see you on the next game dev stream. Have a good one.